Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have something really special in my hands, the latest DOOGEE V Max S. This is no ordinary phone, this is a beast with a camping stall, a huge battery capacity, LED spotlight on the back, powerful chipset and a robust body. In this review I will show you everything from unboxing, design, light functions, to cameras and performance. Finally, I will tell you why this phone is perhaps the best choice for adventurers, campers and anyone who does not want to carry a power bank, a flashlight and a mobile phone when all these can fit in one device. DOOGEE is once again bringing a crazy rugged phone, and this time it comes under the slogan Flagship experience with a starting price. And now you will find why in today's DOOGEE V Max S video review. Let's start with the boxing. In standard DOOGEE style, in the package with the smartphone we also have user manual along with a few other paperwork. Then we have this extra screen protector with accessories, thoughtfully addition especially since the phone already comes with the built-in pre-applied one. Next we have a stylish black USB-C charging cable. And there is also a 33-watt fast charger, always great to see a proper charger included these days. The DOOGEE V Max S already makes a strong impression at the first glance. This device is not just rugged in the name, its physical presence clearly says that it is ready for all conditions. It is heavier and thicker than classic phones, but that is a price we are happy to pay for everything it brings: a durability, a huge battery and the powerful LED panel on the back. The case is made of a combination of sturdy plastic, metal and rubber. The top and the bottom edges are additionally reinforced to absorb shocks, and all openings including USB-C port and a SIM tray are protected by waterproof seal. Now let's take a look at the external features of the phone. The buttons are all made of metal and feel extremely solid under the fingers. So here on the right side in the metal frame we have two volume up and down buttons. Below them is the power button, which is also the fast fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phone you will find a SIM tray, which is cleverly designed. You can open it without any tools, which is ideal for field conditions. You can put two 5G SIM cards or one SIM plus TF card up to 2 TB for memory expansion. A little lower we have this programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or install applications for up to 3 functions. You can program it for quick access to the camera, LED lights, applications. There is 3 functions in one button, can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. At the bottom of the phone we have USB-C charging port, which is protected by rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 waterproof rating. There is also 2 stereo speaker grills down here, the same ones on the top of the screen. The DOOGEE V Max has excellent stereo speakers. The front of the DOOGEE V Max S is dominated by the proven very good 6.58-inch FHD Plus IPS screen. At the top of the screen is 60 megapixel selfie camera, which is a real delight for photography lovers with support for 1080 pixel video recording. This camera isn't just for selfies, it's also great for video calls, vlogs and on-the-go recording. With its resolution of 9080 by 2408 pixels and refresh rate of 120 Hz, this screen provides a clear display of content with rich details and stunning vivid colors. Whether you are watching your favorite movies, playing graphic-intensive games or simply browsing the web, everything looks incredibly smooth and natural. The 120 Hz refresh rate further contributes to the fluidity of the animations, making everyday tasks such as scrolling to apps or playing games a more pleasant experience. Maybe not like AMOLED, but still very good. IPS technology ensures wide angles while the brightness is high enough to text and images to be visible without straining the eyes. Hours and hours spending on YouTube videos become a real visual experience with the vivid colors and rich black depth offering by this screen. One of the most striking features of the DOOGEE V Max S smartphone is keeping LED lights on the back. These are dual LED panels that together produce up to impressive 1200 lumens of brightness. This makes them not only one of the brightest lights I've ever seen, but also a real replacement for a camping light or flashlight. In complete darkness, these lights can literally light up an entire tent, trail, or even a living space. But what makes them even more practical is their customization. DOOGEE has implemented an intuitive software interface here that allows you to choose between 3 models with a single tap. The first is standard constant light, ideal for regular evening activities. The second is a strobe mode, a light that flashes at regular intervals, useful for signaling of emergency. The third is SOS mode, which automatically sends a light signal for help, which can be crucial in situations where you need help and want to be seen from afar. In addition to these modes, the user can also adjust the brightness level. There are many of 5 levels available, which allows for precise control over battery consumption depending on the conditions. Another practical addition is the option to set the operation time. You can set the lights to stay for 5, 15, 30 minutes or to work continuously. Thanks to these functions and a huge 22,000 mAh battery, the camping lights on the DOOGEE V Max S device are not just useful, they are fully functional replacement for additional equipment. So, as I mentioned, the DOOGEE V Max S comes with incredible battery capacity of as much as 22,000 mAh, which is precise turns into a real smart powerhouse in a pocket format. This huge battery is not just there to impress with numbers, it offers concrete results, up to 156 hours of continuous talk time, up to 1540 hours in standby mode, and between 5 to 7 days of real-world use depending on your habits or intensity of use. There is also this reverse charging function which turns this phone into power bank ready to charge your other devices, a flashlight or even friend's phone in emergency. In short, with this phone you won't need an outlet for days. The DOOGEE V Max S is equipped with a triple camera with the main 180 megapixel AI sensor that captures extremely detailed photos in all conditions. AI not only recognizes scenes and optimizes settings, but also offers smart image editing tools, allowing you to quickly process and refine photos directly on your device. In addition to a main camera, there is also a 2 megapixel macro sensor for close-up details and a 12 megapixel infrared night camera for shooting in complete darkness. Massive back LED dual lights further improves the quality of night photos. And to get a feel for camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our V Max S, so let's take a look. Under the armor of DOOGEE V Max S is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050, a powerful 5G chipset made in an efficient 6nm process with the Octa-Core processor running at the clocks up to 2.6 GHz. It is paired with 8GB of physical RAM, which can be expanded by an additional 16GB virtually, which gives a total of up to 24GB of RAM, and with the spacious 256GB of internal storage, expandable by TF card up to 2TB. Such combination enables comfortable everyday use, quick switching between applications, reliable navigation, and a pleasant experience with games or multimedia. The phone runs almost all applications and games smoothly without any performance problems. When you're playing graphically demanding games or switching between multiple apps while multitasking, the V Max S handles these tasks without a hitch and without heating up. The phone comes with the latest Android 14, which brings improved security, better privacy controls, optimized resource management, and a modern user interface. Android 14 also enables better user experience customization, including new ways to manage notifications and more efficient battery consumption. There is also Google Smart Voice Assistant, cloning up function, split screen system manager, and a lot more. The phone supports 5G connectivity, allowing you to lightning-fast internet speed, smooth streaming, and a faster content downloading. In addition, it offers impressive wireless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6, the latest Wi-Fi standard. This gives you fast internet speeds, better signal coverage, and improved energy efficiency, perfect for seamless online gaming and lag-free streaming. It also supports NFC, which makes you can use these contactless payments, fast data transfer, convenient and secure whenever you are. For all lovers of outdoor adventures, precise navigation is essential. The V Max S has you covered with a high accurate navigation system that supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou. These satellite navigation networks ensure reliable and precise location tracking no matter where you are, making this device the ideal companion for your adventures. V Max S is designed to withstand even the most demanding conditions, which is confirmed by top resistance certifications. With its IP68 and IP69K protection, this phone is completely resistant to dust, water and even high pressure washing. In addition, it meets MIL STD 810H military standard, which means that it can withstand shocks, drops and extreme temperatures from -20 to +60 degrees Celsius. This robustness guarantees the safety and longevity of this device, ideal for anyone who likes outdoor activities or work in demanding environment. The DOOGEE V Max S is not just another rugged phone, it's a true innovation for all camping and outdoor adventure enthusiasts. With its huge 22,000 mAh battery, extremely bright 1200 lumens camping light, and a solid performance and a 5G connectivity, this phone brings three key things in one: power, light and reliability. All this comes at a price that is more than affordable, making it the perfect choice for those who want a flagship experience for a starter price. I should also mention that the V Max S is also coming with its older brothers, the V Max Pro and the V Max Plus, with a slightly stronger specifications. You can see all that on the DOOGEE's official website in the link below this video. What you can see is the arrival of models for professionals, the V Max LR model with the laser rangefinder and the V Max Play model with the built-in laser projector. That's something that I would like to have in review in the future. Both models will come with Kickstarter campaign in June and July, so pay attention to them. So if you are interested in purchasing the DOOGEE V Max S, and I'm sure you are, official sales links can be found below this video. Don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of current promotional pricing, but act quickly as the quantities are limited. That's all for now, we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.